I was watching streamers on Twitch play Valorant, and I wanted the game. Lucky enough, I was able to get a drop. I immediately downloaded Valorant. Then something unexpected happened. I am Striker 2K2, and Riot Games forcefully installed Vanguard on my system against my will. Okay, so this is how it went down. I jumped on the Valorant website, checked my status, said I'm in, download and play, downloaded to the Valorant folder. And I went into the Valorant folder, double clicked on the game. UAC control comes up, I say yes. Close out of everything else, I click install. Icon pops up on my screen. It asks me to sign in. No problem so far. Everything's good. I'm happy with life. And then this part comes up. Riot Vanguard is Riot's new anti-cheat system and is required to play with Valorant. Let's look at more details. More details. It uses a kernel mode driver. This is where I have issues. I do not want any sort of anti-cheat software or any software for that matter to run in kernel mode. So I close out of here. I realize that Valorant isn't all that important to me to let Riot install a kernel mode program on my computer called Vanguard. So behind here I know there's a decline button. I am going to decline. Everything is done. No more. Drag Valorant into the bin. Right click, empty recycle bin. Done. Now, I have clicked on Valorant, decided that I did not want it. I declined. There should be no Vanguard on my system. There is no Vanguard in the system tray. Now I am going to reboot my computer and let's see what happens. So while my computer reboots, let's talk about kernel mode and why Valorant wants Vanguard to operate in kernel mode. Kernel mode is known as Ring 0, the center ring that operates with the most permissions on a Windows system. Some of the pros are that cheating software usually operates in user mode and thus cannot detect Vanguard because Vanguard is operating in kernel mode. And this makes the game fair for everyone. But then again, some of the cons are that, well, Riot hasn't exactly earned my trust. And even if I did trust them, it creates backdoors for others to infiltrate. And any poorly written code or any bugs could cause severe system issues, namely the blue screen of death. So now that my system is up and running, let's see what we have. There is no pop-ups on startup saying that Vanguard was up and running. But if we come over here to the system tray, well, what do we have here? There is Riot Vanguard. Let's right click on it, see what we have. We have exit Vanguard, hide tray, more, in which it is going to allow us to uninstall Vanguard. That means it is installed. Let's see what else we have. Valorant is here. It is installed, even though I declined. I expected it to self-delete, to remove everything, not to go ahead and continue to install everything anyways. Let's see, we pop up. Oh, lucky us, we still get to decline it, but that doesn't matter because it's already installed down here. I can't decline something that I already have. Riot, why did you forcefully install Vanguard on my system? You may be wondering, why am I angry? Is it because Riot Games is using kernel mode for their anti-cheat software? No! What I am angry about is that I purposely refused the installation of Vanguard and Riot Games forcefully installed it on my system. If you agree with me, click like and let me hear about it in the comments. Likewise, if you think it is okay for companies to forcefully install software onto your system, then downvote this video and let me know what you think in the comments. Hey, this is Striker 2K2 and until next time, stay vigilant.